Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will explain you about battery. There are two young kids, Mia and Leo, playing with their toy car. Suddenly, car stopped.
Oh no, Leo, your toy car stopped.
The remote isn't working either. It needs new batteries.
Wait a second. What is inside a battery anyway? How does it give energy to things?
Ooh, let's find out. Come on, imagine we can shrink super tiny and go inside.
Mia and Leo is jumping inside the battery and exploring the battery. Inside the battery, they found one friend called Zap.
Whoa, where are we?
You're inside a battery. I'm Zap, an electron. Welcome.
It's like two neighborhoods. Why is one side red and the other blue?
Great question. See that orange side? That's where Posy lives, the positive side. And the blue side is where Neggy lives, the negative side. We're neighbors, but we can never touch until something connects us. Every battery has three important parts. Ready? Part 1. The positive end. That's like a big magnet that loves to pull electrons. Posy lives here. Plus. Part 2. The negative end. That's where all us electrons start our journey. Neggy lives here. Part 3. The stuff in the middle. We call it the electrolyte. Think of it like a special juice that helps the energy travel, but won't let us electrons swim through it directly. Sneaky, right?
So, how does the energy get out?
Here's the fun part. When you put a battery into a toy, you're making a bridge, a wire, from one end to the other.
A bridge? Like for cars?
Exactly. And when the bridge appears, we run. All us electrons race from Neggy's side through the wire all the way to Posy's side. We zoom through the toy's motor, light, or speaker on the way.
And that's what makes the toy work?
Yes. When we zoom through, we carry energy with us. That energy spins the wheels, lights up the bulb, or makes music.
But why do batteries run out? Where do you all go?
Well, after a while, all of us electrons have moved from Neggy's side to Posy's side. Neggy runs out of electrons to send. There's nobody left to run the race.
So the battery dies because everyone already moved?
Exactly. It's like everyone leaves one town and moves to the other. No more runners, no more energy.
That's so sad. Can they come back?
If it's a rechargeable battery, yes. A charger pushes everyone back home, and we can race all over again. Before you go, here are some super cool battery facts. The first battery was invented over 200 years ago by a scientist named Alessandro Volta. That's why we measure electricity in volts, named after him. Electric cars use huge batteries. Some are as big as the floor of the whole car. Tiny batteries even power pacemakers inside people's hearts to keep them beating steadily. Solar panels can charge batteries using just sunlight. Free energy from the sun. Time to go back, explorers. Remember, next time you use a flashlight, a toy, or a phone, say hi to us tiny electrons working hard inside.
Bye, Zap. Thank you.
Bye, Zap. Thank you.
So now you know, inside every battery is a tiny world where electrons race from one side to the other, carrying energy to power all your favorite things. So, kids, what do you want to know next? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing adventures inside everyday things. Happy learning!